And we're back here at the microwave for episode 2, the murdering of the Pom-Bears. Well, they contain a shitload of fat, so should go up quite well. Whack that in for a minute and watch them burn. Nom nom nom. Listen to me crunch that bitch. Teddy ship biscuit juice now. Now 50% less saturated fats, whatever. After a minute you can see they're starting to brown to a nice golden colour. Whack them in for a bit more, shall we? The infamous 10 minutes. Let's turn them. Not that they need turning because it's a microwave. Oh, we got a cribble. Oh, no. I'm so satisfied. You can actually see them cooking in their own pot, that's why they're burning so well. It's like America. If you set America on fire, it would go up in flames like fuck, man. Burn the world. Bastards. Dance for the ball dance. Oh man. You see, I was very tempted to put in the packet that was sealed, but it's could have been quite fatal, shall we say. Oh god. Quick! Oh, look at him. Look at him bleed. Bleeding from the skull. Serves you right, you bastard. Oh, that one's head's burnt off. Love it. Nom nom nom. Let's whack him in for some more. There we go. Oh, it's making quite a nice hissing sound. No, really. Can you see that? Ooh. No. Look at him burn. All with the serious head injuries is now even more dead. Zombie. The slogan for House of the Dead is "Make them dead again." I was so disappointed with that because I love that game. They should make House of the Dead Pom-Bears. Oh, look at him burn! I mean, I would buy that game. Would you buy that game? I would. Christian Bale, I would. I like that one. Oh, I'm reminding myself of that eccentric poet. Lol. But it was only 2. think I better take them out now before the smoke alarms go off, because they really do stink. And that's 2-3 minutes I've been in there. Look at him. Right. Trying to burn me, the bastards. Oh, that's grotesque. Reverse Michael Jackson, watch. Don't sniff one of them. Right, let's try one. We go for the gripper. Oh man, that's sick. Let this be a lesson to you, little bastards.